Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Essay. I'm a YouTuber based in the Houston area. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back. Please guys, do not forget to subscribe to my channel, like my videos, tell your friends, just share my videos, help my channel to grow. Yeah, so in today's video, I'm gonna be talking all about money. Hustling money, how to make money aside from your day job, your full-time job. A lot of people want to make money from different places, but they really do not know they don't know how to go about it. Creating revenue from having multiple streams of income, that's the word. How to create multiple streams of income while you have a full-time job. I am a professional in this. I'm still trying to get a hang of it and really learn how to multitask and make multiple streams of income, but I really try from time to time to make money from different places to come in, to run my life, because let's face it, I like enjoyment is I like to enjoy. I love the good things of life. I love to buy, I love to shop, I love expensive things, and my salary will not provide for all that, so I always try as much as possible to just balance it out, do here and just put together. I made a whole notes. I actually came prepared for this video. I made a whole note because I didn't just want to come here and start babbling and forgetting what I want to say. So yeah, I actually have 17 side hustles you can do on the side to actually make good money, not just cents, actual good money that you can pay your bills with, you can do stuff with, you can save. And because I read over the weekend, I was watching was it a documentary or something, and they said millennials, the average millennial doesn't have up to $500 in their savings. I was like, what? A lot of people do not have savings. A lot of people do not know how to save. As money comes in, it goes out. As money comes in, it goes out. So, and I might not make so much money, but I know how to manage money. I know how to make money. I know how to bring in money in, and I know how. That's one thing I've been doing stuff to raise money for myself from uni and stuff like that. I used to sell, number one on the list, Poshmark. Selling your used clothes on Poshmark, eBay, Depop, Mercari. There are a lot of apps. When I say a lot of apps where you can sell your used clothes, I have made over $1,000 selling used clothes, shoes, bags. Sometimes I buy something, wear it once, and I'm not gonna wear it again. I just take a picture of it. Just make sure you take a clear picture, put it up, create a profile, put it up on your Poshmark, eBay, Facebook Marketplace, offer up, even not just clothes, even furniture, appliances. I went on OfferUp one time and I saw somebody selling his used shoelace for $5. I was like, what? Used shoelace? People actually sell rubbish. People sell one leg of shoe. People sell a lot of things online, and there are actually people buying this stuff. People even go to thrift stores, buy things from thrift stores like Goodwill, thrift stores, and put it up on Poshmark and sell it for a high price. That is good hustling and flipping of money, if you ask me. I always do that. I always sell things. Even one time I went to Nigeria on holiday, I sold my own clothes. I sold people's clothes and collected percentage for selling their own clothes, and I made over 100,000 naira in just a space of 2 months selling my own clothes and people's clothes. That's easy money. I didn't have to do anything. I didn't have to go anywhere. I just had to take pictures on my phone and post it up. Who wants this is this for cheap prices, and people were actually buying this stuff. Okay, number 2 on the list is babysitting. Babysitting is really popular here. You can babysit for people. You can put yourself on Craigslist or all these advertising apps and actually babysit people, or you could go through agencies to babysit on the side after your work. Selling crafts on Etsy. If you're in the US, I'm sure you're familiar with what Etsy is. Etsy is an app where you could make your own earrings, make your jewelry, arts and crafts, knitting, and DIY. If you're really good with DIY, you should sell your stuff on Etsy, because people are really into all that stuff. People sell a lot of things on Etsy for expensive prices, and people are making money on Etsy. Uber, Lyft, Ubereats, DoorDash, that's like easy money. If you don't want people to be in your I almost signed up for Uber, but that was when Corona just started. I was like, nah, I don't want random people in my car, so I just left it alone. I was like, no. But you can actually do Ubereats, you could do DoorDash, picking up food deliveries and dropping off at people's places. There are a lot of people actually make like two grand on Uber every month. People make $2,000 from Uber. Some people make $3,000 on Uber, depending on how much you put in. A lot of people have their full-time jobs in the daytime, and at night they are doing Uber, driving from place to place and making cool cash. Yeah. Another way to make money on the side is Instacart. Instacart is a service that helps people. You sign up on it and you actually help people go grocery shopping. So they give you a list and you go grocery shopping for them and they pay you. Imagine paying people to just go grocery shopping. Like, wow, that's like easy money. Very easy money, if you ask me. Fiverr is an app too, where you could put up your profile and put in your best skills. If you're really good at writing emails, proposals, essays, you put in your skill sets and people actually pay you to write proposals, emails, essays for a lot of money on Fiverr. Another good side hustle that is really good, you could be a nail tech on the side, you could do microbladding on the side, you could do eyelashes on the side, you could be a makeup artist, you could be a freelance photographer taking pictures at baby showers, parties, graduations, birthday parties, whatever. People make a lot of money. I was watching one girl's YouTube. She said she used to be a freelance photographer, and one weekend she got paid $1,200 to just take pictures at like an event. $1,200. So if you're really good with a camera, if you know how to take good pictures, I would suggest you become a freelance photographer on the side to add to your regular full-time job. Another good source of income, side hustle, is Airbnb. Giving out your apartments when you're not there, renting out your apartment for a month, 2 months, maybe you're traveling, instead of your house just sitting down there. If you are okay with it, some people do not like strangers in their house, but if you're very okay with it, you could put your apartment up on Airbnb and people rent it out for the period of time you're not gonna be there, and you would make cool money. I'm actually thinking about it. If I'm gonna travel for a period of time, I'm gonna put my apartment on Airbnb. I do not care. When I come back, I'll sanitize the whole place. I do not care. Anything to make money, legit thing to make money. It's being a social media manager. There are a lot of people that do not know how to use social media. There are a lot of companies that do not know how to use social media. There are a lot of big organizations, even little small businesses, they don't really know how to put their products and their, they don't know how to sell their services on social media. There are really older people who do not know how to use social media. So this is where you come in. Sometimes you get paid $300 to post, make 4 posts a day, or it's really, I'm actually looking into it. I want to know where, I'm trying to research and know how to become a social media manager for, you just make posts on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, the whole social media thing, make posts and engage and promote their pages and stuff like that. People make money off doing this full, part-time, not use Amazon Flex. Amazon Flex, I think it's new. You just have to pick up packages from like a warehouse or warehouse around you, Amazon pickup spot around you, and you deliver it, and I think they pay $18 to $25 an hour just to pick up packages and drop off with customers. That's a good, I mean, everybody's trying to get on Amazon bag. Amazon is like the big thing right now, so if you could get a piece of that billion-dollar money, why not? It's dog walking. Dog walking is very big here in America. Like, people pay you could pay like $10 an hour to walk their dogs, and you could walk more than one dog at a time. You can walk 5 dogs. Sometimes you see people with like five dogs at a time for like, and you'd even dog sitting. People could pay you like $100 or $200 a day to sit their dogs in case maybe they're traveling out of town and they can't take their dogs, and they'll say, oh yeah, I'm gonna be gone for 2 days, 3 days. They'll pay you like $300 just to dog sit the dog, like to take care of the dog. I mean, that's good money. Online tutoring, if you're really good at, you know, maths, English, biology, or whatnot, if you're a geek, make use of your brains and do online tutoring. A lot of people these days, especially with the homeschooling thing, online tutoring is really booming right now. People are paying like a lot of money to get tutors. I mean, thousands of dollars a week to get tutors online to tutor their kids or even themselves, to learn more. So if you are good at a particular subject or field, online tutoring will be good for you. Another good side hustle is selling digital products like ebooks, how to make cake, how to bake this, how to do your own nails, how to do this, how to create this, how to do that. All those things really sell well. You could make an ebook, you could make a cheat sheet, you could make even recipes. I heard recipes, people are buying recipes online for like $10. Like, Corona really messed everything up. People are buying recipes online for like $10 per recipe, and people are buying even what's this word, it just skips my head. Oh, man, people, okay, anyways, people are buying recipes online. People are buying even master classes. People are doing master classes, how to do this, how to make this, how to blah 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 blah. You know, just online digital products sell really well. Making food and selling from your house, catering, baking. You could, if you're a really good cook, you know how to make something in particular, you could start making at home and selling to people. There are a lot of apps. There's an app called is it My Neighbor or Neighborhood or Nextdoor? I think it's Nextdoor. Nextdoor is like an app where it's people in your area, like people advertise, oh, I can do this, I can do this, I have this for sale, I sell this. So you can actually market yourself to people in your area, and you could start cooking and baking and delivering, or they could be picking up and stuff like that. All money is good money. Scared money don't make no money, so you have to put yourself out there if you want to make money. Tailoring and doing alterations. If you're really good with knowing how to use a sewing machine, you could do alterations for people's clothes, you could sew, you could just basically do alterations instead of like people going to like dry cleaners and stuff that charge them a lot. You could just do like maybe like alterations that will cost like $10 or $20. You could say maybe like an alteration that will cost like $30. You could say you do it for $15. You know, just slash the price, since you're actually not renting a store, you're not moving anywhere, they are bringing it close to you to alter. So you slash the price so that you could be more marketable and people will patronize you. Anyways, that is all for my video. I hope you really enjoyed it. Please leave me a comment and let me know if this video was of any help to you. Thank you. I'll see you in my next one, and please do not forget to subscribe. Bye.